But I feel like so yo, me I work with what you said, and what me said, and what. But I think like me forget things. Me remember everything we do me.
Look how long you're gone and gonna remember.
Everything remember. Just like how you run me out, you will do it again. You will blood clot, do it again. And you know what time you run me out? 2:30, they got 3 o'clock in the night. So look into that.
I never did
2:30, they got 3 o'clock in the night, you run me out.
I did 8 o'clock.
What 8 o'clock? 8 o'clock blood clot where?
8 o'clock.
8 o'clock where? 8 o'clock where?
Come like you mix me up or something, bro.
Me I mix you up, bro. Me I mix you up or something.
If I get serious, man.
So hold on. 8 o'clock taxi top run up a few yard.
Sometimes.
But sometimes. 8 o'clock every shop lock.
Yeah.
At 8 o'clock everybody come off our road.
Yeah.
8 o'clock everybody come off our road.
I did, bro.
At 8 o'clock for 2 months.
I make me go for one place to stay 1 month. Let's not talk about
At
you.
8 o'clock that because you need to go for that place there. You didn't need to go for that place there.
No, I'm not start for you now.
Start, I'm ready. Me don't start early to
Don't be
start.
ridiculous now. Don't be
Start. You didn't
ridiculous.
need to go for the place. You didn't need to go for the place. Me go start. So me go start here now. You want me to tell you why me bring you up a place in front of your people them? I go out alone, me see them grass. Why fuck you do with grass in your mouth? Why you do with grass in your mouth? Or you reach for a fence. I go out, me no climb for a fence and them bush. You didn't need to go for the blood clot hospital. So nobody come
I know what's next now. I hear a turn now if you go out there now.
You're the damn bush.
You
You girl go for hospital chat. He girl mouth full of green bush. He girl climb for a fence. You want to see him like a goat. Palm bush. Then you have done your whole like bush fence. Then you have done your whole like fence. That bus made in a 7.
Yeah,
You can call all my dog and speak like phone.
You too long.
Break the palm fence and then bush like a goat.
Matter.
When me can go for hospital. When me can go for blood clot hospital, he must
well, alright, here now, if you go talk about that about me, when me go see a witchcraft, you witchcraft me. You call me up for your neighborhood, I know say you're the girl them up the sex. Call me go up there and make the ending with my case. So, me don't want to hear nothing. Yeah.
What's that? Witchcraft, yo.
I must stop because yes, I eat goat. I'm in eat grass. So you're
what's time you come up in
witchcraft me. Yeah.
Witchcraft.
That's cloud say. And then I go have the audacity to come sit down and class me. You're all turn on bright.
Witchcraft. Chat. Brit come up in our village too much time. Brit come in our village too much time. And a girl never come approach me and say, bitch, left my man alone. A girl never see man rush him yet. A girl never see man tackle him yet. Just look on that. So where witchcraft come from? And your mindset, man, your mind. Up here so dirty. Up here so dirty. Up here so want to wash off. Yeah.